Hello guys, good morning. Good morning kids. Hello, good morning. At for today's video guys ay magpapalit tayo ng TV guys. Yung maliit na yun na TV guys, sira kasi. Ayan, papalitan natin ng malaking TV yun. Naka-carton guys yung galing. Pinagpalitan guys yun sa...
Yes.
Pinagpalitan ni na Mati sa Manila, sa Laguna.
Yes.
Ano gagawin natin, kids? Ano gagawin natin? Mati?
We're going to put that new
To replace a new TV, ano? We're going to place the defective one. Okay? Okay, so we're going to start it now.
I know.
Because it's already 7 o'clock, I think. What do you think is the time is it?
I'm 8:30 or 8.
It's already 8 na? So you eat pandesal na. Kumain na kayo ng pandesal?
7 pala.
Kumain na kayo? Dali na.
Kumain na ako.
Magpapalit muna tayo ng TV guys. Yan guys, tatanggalin muna natin itong TV.
Daddy, you can really go at that TV. We didn't because Dad worked in the gym dati. You didn't.
Yeah.
You're kind of
didn't what?
skinny.
What do you mean I didn't?
You're kind of skinny.
So this one is we're going to...
You didn't work too much like my dad.
What?
Mabilis lang yan, Ikabet.
Like my dad. It was dad. My other dad.
Will you please get the broom?
A broom?
The broom?
Yeah.
Aling broom?
Will you please?
Yeah, I can.
The broom. Where's the broom?
I don't know. My favorite.
What's your favorite? Laki
Yeah.
na.
This bread.
Go, go,
This
go.
bread.
You eat na.
Lucky!
Good.
This one is much bigger than the old one, okay?
Yeah, how we gonna fit that?
We're going, look, that's not the puwet.
No. Oh my gosh, Daddy. That's not a fit at all. That's a TV.
Yeah, I know. I'm just joking. Okay?
But
So, we're going to...
but that
there's a bracket.
no.
So, we're going to remove the bracket at your room, okay? And we're going to fix it here at the outside.
Tatanggalin
Am
mo.
I right?
Yeah.
Ready? Am I right or left?
You're right.
Munti ka na.
Magmuntik na. Hindi kasa.
It's delicate.
Dad, where's your
Ang laki. Kesa dun.
Auntie, now where's your mother?
Ako. May gitara pala doon ang sakit.
Dad, you need to be careful with that.
Okay.
My dad is
Your daddy
is
is a gay.
careful with that.
Your daddy is a gay.
My other daddy is okay because he's
Eh, may
strong.
tabi niya.
He can't move her eye like you did. With that.
Nag-aatad na.
Yan.
Kuya, naikuha mo yung sabon.
Mommy, we ready put the new TV on.
Wow!
Wow!
Yung TV on. At Edna.
Are you going to do this?
Si Ate Gina. Wala na bang
Sinabi ko na kahapon.
sinabi mo na?
Guys, nakabit na namin. Yan. Testingin na namin guys. Testingin na namin kung gagana siya. Buksan mga Maria.
Wala ka tayo tissue?
Ma!
Wala yung ano ba yung tissue?
Atin na, kain na anak dito.
Tagal na natin. May kanin.
Ha?
Ininit ko ng ulam. Matedo.
Ano yung the botnete?
Botnete. O yan, botnete.
Ano yung bot na?
Bonet.
Nakapan na nga si Maria dyan ng botnete.
Hindi, trabaho, inay ngayon ha. Bukas ako wala. Botnete. Ng bata.
Hanggang Friday.
Ha?
Mad.
Ang password? Hindi. Sa ako naman. Ako titignan.
Nakapos?
Yan lang?
Hindi. Mami, i-chat
Chat mo lang sa... Guys, okay na yung TV.
Hello.
May mapapanood na si Oliver. Na Iglesia ni Cristo.
Swerte ni Oliver, ang laki ng TV.
Ang laki ng TV ni Oliver.
Paano na yung TV natin dun sa master's bedroom?
Ang laki guys. Oh, laki.
Bibilin sana dito, doon daw ilalagay.
Ayun, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and
Subscribe!
share. Share.
Like and share.
Like and share and subscribe. Yung aking partner. Nasaan na yung partner? Uy, partner.
Uy, partner!
Don't forget to like
Share.
and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, mga machi.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye.